guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas 10 and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a vision board 2023. It's simple and it's easy. You only need two apps, and it's Pinterest and Canva. And another thing I did, I went ahead and saved all the pictures that I'll be using. That way I can find them all in one place. I have Canva up on one tab, and now I am typing in Pinterest for the second tab. Now that I have Pinterest up, I'm going to click back over to Canva. You are going to click YouTube thumbnail, and you're going to create a blank YouTube thumbnail. So once you find your pictures on Pinterest, you save them to your computer, and then you will be able to upload them on Canva. Once I click back over to Canva, I go to uploads, I upload files, I click on the picture, and then only thing I have to do is drag it to my blank template. I have added my first picture. I'm going to go to the next picture, click on it, save it to my computer. I have put all of my pictures on there, and I will let you guys take a look at my vision board. So we have gym, Jesus is greater than everything, traveling, a ring, because we manifesting here, speaking things into existence, classroom, of course, I'm going to teach for the rest of my life. Mental note, take the risk, don't let the unknown stop you from progressing. Be the teacher you needed when you were their age. I hope to get to spend time with my sisters and friends. Natural hair, luxury lifestyle. John chapter 13 verse 7. You don't understand now what I am doing, but someday you will. Consistency. Credit score 810. I want to get into doing makeup. Baby bump, speaking into existence. Family gathering, another airport picture. I have not got my passport. I had it on my vision board last year, but I promise I'm going to get it next year. And of course, run those coins up, period. Now I am going in and I'm adding text. And I'm using the XOXO one. And I'm just typing in, I am her 2023. And as I am watching this, I see I need to go back and fill in those spaces here. So hold on just a second. And here we go. This is the final result. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I was able to help. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment. See you on the next Vlogmas.